Hi students, since the time is less, I am going to directly show whatever mock test paper we have created here. So the question paper will be like this mock test or whatever test you are having, and then objective type paper, subject computer, date will be given, time allotted as 60 minutes only, grade 10 and maximum mark is 50. And you have to please do fill your candidate, name of the candidate, section and unique ID, index number, whatever they're given, and read the instructions carefully. Computer is only for 1 hour. Okay, it is divided into two portions as I said. One is section A, and other one is section B. Section A is of 30 marks, section B is of 20 marks. Coming to the first question, choose the correct answer, 5 marks. Each question carries 1 mark. So, first question, creating an object from a class is also called dash. Initialization, instantiation, interfacing, and object factory. So the answer here will be instantiation. That is the answer. Bytecode is ready to be executed by Java interpreter, Java virtual machine, both are none. So Java interpreter is otherwise called as Java virtual machine. So it is both. Which of the following is not a valid library function? Math.ceil, math.sqrt, math.py, and math.pow. We don't have math.py. And please do write the answer here. You will write only the options here in the answer blank. What is a function the same name as that of the class called as constructor? Constructor overloading. Function overloading. The answer is constructor. The correct constructor defines the class cartoon that has a int and a double parameters. This is wrong because there's no bracket. This is also wrong. Here by default it is public. So public cartoon int A and int B is the right answer. Coming to the second question, it is fill in the blanks. What is the result of 111 modulus 13? So when you divide it, you get the answer as 7. Method that accepts a string without any spaces. Next. Dash is not an entry control loop. Do while. For loop and while loop are entry control loop. Break is a statement there, so it is not a loop. The result of math.ceil minus 9.2 is, you get this one because the ABS of minus 9.2 will become 9.2. 9.2 ceil will be 10. Sorry. Size of short and byte is 2. Coming to question number 3, name the following. The smallest unit in the Java program is known as identifier, token, separator, JVM. Excuse me. An operator that gives the remainder of a division is modulus operator. Missing a break statement in switch statement is called as fall through. Invoking a function by passing an object as a parameter is known as call by reference. Java supports this character set only, unique code. Okay, so these are the options. State true or false. 5 is greater than 4 or 5 is greater than 5. So actually is false, but it is not a false. The answer become true. Function signature includes access specifier. False. Function signature is the function name along with the parameter list. Functions can execute multiple return statement. It is false. Only one return statement. Purpose of writing a constructor is to initialize the values of the data members. True. Actual parameters are present in the prototype of the function. It is false. Odd or out, byte, long, int, all these are primitive data type. Non-primitive is wrong. Machine language, assembly language, Java language, high level language. We don't have something called as Java language, so this is wrong. Byte, short, int, char, all these are deals with numbers. Char deals with character. Identifier, separator, keywords, new, all these are tokens. New is a keyword. Okay. Equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to, equal to, all these are relation operators. Are equal to is a assignment operator. And here the answer here is 25. When you execute this loop will get executed 0 times and the output will be 5. So read this. Directly it will go with 12 plus 18, so the answer will be 13. What is the result of writing after the following expression? It will be 15 plus 2, which is 17. Math.ceil of minus 10.01 will be, it is minus value, so the answer will be minus 10.0. Section B, read this question. I'll give you a few seconds. You can read the question. Hope you would have read this. So fill in the blanks. First class is asked, then what is int variable, then void is asked. So when you go through this question only, you will know where all you have to answer. Section B is very easy to score. So the name of the class is fruit juice. Just see which they are given. Fruit and juice. F and J is capital. So select the same thing, fruit and juice. The next one is pack size. Go and check how they have declared pack size. Pack underscore size. So come down. Where is pack underscore size? A option. So here you have to write A. Okay. Input, compute, input, input. So what's the answer? Third one. So 1, 2, 3. Coming to C. What are we doing here? We are taking input. So input is this one. Input open and close bracket. But you have to check whether open and close bracket is given. It's not given. So the answer will be again C. And last one will be, here they've asked I have to give discount. The answer will be product price equal to product price. And just check what is the object created in the program, OBJ. So object created will be OBJ. Actually we are supposed to give a, here there should be a dash. That's why discount came there. Okay. So hope you would have understood this. The next one will be the next question. Dash scanner, what we are creating, class name, and they've asked while loop. So it is import, then spy number, system.in, there is no bracket. Always in while num is greater than 0, num equal to num modulus 10. Then here, since we are checking the sum on the product, I am giving this. Sorry, I will be selecting this one. Sum equal to product. Okay, so this is the question, and I hope you have understood the logic. So the aim is to give maximum mock test paper so that you understand the logic very well. So the next one is the tuck number. It's given like this. See what we have to do for the for loop. So we can easily understand for because it starts with 1000. Is it? No. Yeah, correct. Then the next one will be B, and here also it is. Decision is if and break. This is break. Which construct help in multiple way of branching? Here the answer is odd. Case studies and all you can easily answer. Hope you have understood. Please do go through this. I'll meet you with the next mock test. All the very best.